All right, these are our review practice questions for the Milestone for S8P1. And we're going to get started. There's a lot of these, so I'm going to be reading through quickly. Feel free to pause the video as needed. Number 1, a material has a definite volume but a changing shape. What is it? A liquid, B, a gas, C, a solid, or D, water. Definite volume, changing shape. Number 2, the melting and boiling points of silver are respectively 960.8 degrees Celsius and 1950 degrees Celsius. What is its freezing point? So, is freezing point the same as melting point, or is freezing point the same as boiling point? A, 0 degrees Celsius, B, 100 degrees Celsius, C, 960.8 degrees Celsius, or D, 1950 degrees Celsius. Number 3, as a substance is changing from a liquid to a gas, the distance between its molecules, so we're going from a liquid to a gas. Think about those two states of matter. Would the distance between the molecules increase and the temperature of the system remains the same? B, increase and the temperature of the system decreases. C, decreases and the temperature of the system remains the same. Or D, decreases and the temperature of the system decreases. Number 4, which substance has a definite shape and definite volume? A, a crystal of table salt, B, a solution of salt water, C, water vapor, or D, iced tea. Number 5, the reactants involved in a chemical reaction are shown. How many oxygen atoms must be present in the product that forms from this reaction? So here are the reactants. Notice how many oxygens are on this side and that they're in both compounds. So how many are going to be in the products, what we make? A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, or D, 4. Number 6, which of the following is an example of a chemical change? A, water evaporating, B, carbon joining with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, C, ice cream melting, or D, a pencil breaking. Number 7, what happens during a physical change? A, new substances are formed, B, the identity of the substance is changed, C, a chemical reaction occurs, or D, a substance may look different but not lose its identity. Number 8, what two quantities must be known to calculate the density of a sample of matter? A, color and mass, B, mass and volume, C, length and mass, or D, solubility and mass. Notice that mass is in every one of these, so we know that mass is one, but what's the other? Number 9, which physical property would be the same as a substance's melting point? Is it A, boiling point, B, specific heat, which we've never talked about this year, C, freezing point, or D, solubility? And solubility is just a fancy word for the ability to dissolve. What would be the same as melting point? Number 10, which of the following is an element? A, NaCl, B, Fe3O2, C, OH, or D, Fe. Number 11, a group of identical atoms would be classified as A, a solution, B, a compound, C, an element, or D, a mixture. Number 12. Which is a sign that a chemical change is occurring? A, boiling, B, bubbling, C, freezing, or D, melting? Number 13. Which is a mixture? A, liquid nitrogen in a tank, B, pure gold, C, ocean water, or D, table salt, which is NaCl, sodium chloride is the chemical name. Number 14. Baking soda is the common name for the chemical sodium bicarbonate. The chemical formula for sodium bicarbonate is NaHCO3. How many different elements are found in this compound? Right here. A, 4, B, 5, C, 6, or D, 7. How many different? Notice they're asking elements, not atoms, total. Number 15. What subatomic particle is found in the area of the atom marked X? So this region around the nucleus. Here's the nucleus. Is it A, electron, B, proton, C, neutron, or D, nucleus? Number 16. In which substance are molecules rigidly arranged? Remember, rigid means unchanging. A, the water in a freezer at -2 degrees Celsius. B, the water in a cup at 22 degrees C, room temperature. The water in a pot at 100 degrees Celsius. Or D, the water in a steam engine at 110 degrees C. Number 17. Hydrogen gas can be produced by the chemical reaction described in the equation above. If hydrogen atoms cannot be created, what is the source of the atoms in the hydrogen gas in this reaction? So looking at the reaction up here, magnesium plus hydrochloric acid makes magnesium chloride and hydrogen. Where did the hydrogen atoms come from? A, magnesium, B, hydrochloric acid, C, both magnesium and hydrochloric acid, or D, neither magnesium nor hydrochloric acid. Number 18. Which statement refers to a physical property of a substance? A, carbon combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. B, the density of copper is 8.93 grams per centimeter cubed. C, acids are corrosive. D, zinc metal reacts with an acid to produce hydrogen gas. Number 19. Where are the metalloids located on the periodic table? A, on the left side, B, in the middle, C, toward the bottom, or D, along the zigzag line toward the right side? Where are the metalloids located? Number 20. Which of the following is the basis for arranging the elements on the modern periodic table? A, alphabetical order, B, masses of atoms, C, number of protons, or D, date of discovery? Number 21. How many elements are listed on the modern periodic table? A, 28, B, 60, C, 72, or D, more than 100? Number 22. What do elements in the same column have in common? A, similar chemical properties, B, number of protons, C, masses of their atoms, or D, size of their atoms? Think about the alkali metals, think about the halogens, think about the noble or inert gases. They are all in the same columns. We call them groups. Number 23. What does the law of conservation of matter state? A, the total mass of the reactants is greater than the total mass of the products. B, the total mass of the reactants is less than the total mass of the products. C, the total mass of the reactants equals the total mass of the products. Or D, matter cannot change form. Number 24. Sodium is an element found in table salt. It contains 11 protons and 12 neutrons. How many electrons are found in a neutral atom of sodium? A, 11, B, 12, C, 23, or D, 1. Number 25. Soil is made up of pieces of rocks, wood, decayed plants, and many other materials. Soil is an example of A, an atom, B, an element, C, a compound, or D, a mixture. Number 26. A pure substance that can be separated into two or more simpler substances by chemical means is A, an element, B, a compound, C, a formula, or D, an atom. Number 27. During a chemical reaction, methane, CH4, and oxygen, O2, combine to produce carbon dioxide, CO2, and water, H2O. Here's the reaction up here. The balanced chemical equation identifies the reactants and products for this reaction along with some of their masses. What mass in grams of oxygen is required for this reaction to occur? So you have to solve and find the missing amount of oxygen. Add these two together, subtract 16, and you'll find your missing amount of oxygen. Is it 16 grams, 36 grams, 44 grams, or 64 grams? And our last page, number 28. Potassium is an alkali metal that is used in the making of fertilizer. The element block for potassium is pictured above. What is the atomic number for potassium? A, 19, B, 20, C, 30, or D, 58. Number 29. A molecule of hydrogen peroxide is shown. Which of the following shows the correct chemical formula for this molecule? So look right here. You actually built this with your molecular model kits when we did that activity. Is it A, HO, B, HO2, C, H2O2, or D, H2O for hydrogen peroxide? Number 30. Under certain conditions, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas will react to form water, as shown in the equation above. If 20 grams of hydrogen completely reacts with 160 grams of oxygen, how many grams of water will be formed? So we have 20 grams of hydrogen reacting with 160 grams of oxygen. How much water will we make? A, 20 grams, B, 40 grams, C, 160 grams, or D, 180 grams. Number 31. What physical property of matter is being illustrated in the drawing above, in this picture here? A, density, B, magnetism, C, malleability, or D, the ability to conduct heat. Number 32. Which chemical equation illustrates the law of conservation of matter? So you're going to look at these four chemical equations and see which one is balanced. Whichever one of these is balanced is following the law of conservation of matter. Number 33. The diagram shows a molecule of methane, which is CH4. Which type of substance is methane? A, an element, B, an atom, C, a compound, or D, a mixture? And number 34. All methane molecules have the same composition. Composition is just a fancy word for what it's made of. What is the ratio of carbon to hydrogen atoms? So carbon to hydrogen, that's a ratio. Carbon to hydrogen atoms in the methane molecule. So what number of carbons to what number of hydrogens? Is it 1 to 2? Is it 2 to 1? Is it 1 to 4? Or is it 4 to 1? Okay, and that's going to finish us off, and then listen for further instructions from your teacher.